Hello, style friends. I just come back from the conference, global conference for image consultants in Punta Cana. And to go there, I accepted the challenge of a colleague. And this was the challenge. And here is my challenge. Could I go to the conference of image consultants with a carry-on only? And I did, and I have a strategy. And this is what I did. So I create the looks and I took pictures of my looks from head to toe with accessories and everything. And I was strict with that. So I took 2 pairs of sandals, one flat one and one with a tiny heel for the day in metallic colors, so they would go with everything. I didn't have to match my sandals to anything. Then I have my gala attire, which is this one that just passing now, and I took a more dressier sandals for that. Plus, I took 2 shorts, 2 pants, one to travel. I took bathing suits, undergarments, pajamas, all my toiletry, my makeup, accessories, all my accessories, a evening bag. And I took a bag because I travel with a travel bag. I took a Longchamp bag that was flat in my carry-on so that I could wear the bag during the day. And I made it. It was stress-free in the airport, and I was dressed comfortably in heat weather tremendously. So can you travel for 5 days, 6 days in a carry-on? Oh yeah, easily, because I even come back with some pieces that I even touch. And I took a silk dress also, just in case, like how Cecilia think if something happened, I have like an extra piece there. And I made it. Yeah. And I enjoyed the time at the conference, and I didn't have to stress what I'm going to wear today because it was there. That was my days, and I stick to the agenda. So yes, if you need help traveling and you want to travel in a carry-on only, let's talk. You know where to find me. Visit my bio. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.